Oh, welcome everybody. Just cleaning up. Decided to give this whole YouTube creating videos a try. I was inspired by some people. They will be named eventually. But came to realize I have a lot of skills. I dabble in a lot of things, and there's things that I look for that I can't find the answers to. So my hope is that I can provide answers as I go. We can build stuff, make stuff, keep my first few videos clean so that way I can get some views. Once I start building up, then I'll let my true colors shine through. I am a family man, but we're gonna give it a shot. I like teaching, I like learning, I like tinkering, I like taking apart, I like building. All of the above. So, here we go. Alright, this is going to be our first ever repair video. For the moment I'm using my camera, but hopefully I'll be able to get one of my buddies to go ahead and let me borrow his cameras. Here we have a Barracuda MX8. It stopped cycling through the pool. It would just get stuck in certain areas and it wouldn't turn anymore, go but forwards or backwards. So we went ahead and took the whole thing apart really quick. And I'll go ahead and show you the disassembly procedure. Should be pretty straightforward, nothing difficult. You have one screw over there. This whole side will pop off. Right like this. One more screw holding in the motor, or the gearbox rather. And as you can see, I took all of this off. You didn't need to take this off, I just wanted to take it off and clean it. It's where the impeller goes. With the bearings. Which is interesting. It's actually got plastic ball bearings, races, with stainless bearings pressed in. I don't know if you can see that in there. Yeah, interesting design. I'm not sure why they did it like that, but I assume metal on metal contact during oxidizing states causes more rust. Maybe this reduces the possibility of rust. Oh, I know why. Metal on metal will wear. It'll wear off the chrome moly finish on the bearings, or whatever finish it is they put on there, but I'm guessing chromoly. And focus. Come on, there you up, there we go. And that will cause them to rust. This way there's no wear except on the races, and when the bearings go bad, you replace them. You'll note there's a letter on this one. There was a letter on the other one was A. This is B. It'll go in the B housing. They only go on one side. They were pretty good about going ahead and labeling everything on this thing. As you can see, they marked B here. So we got B, B, and B. Pretty tough little thing. We've actually had this about 4 years now. And it's doing fine. The only thing I've had to replace on it so far is these gearboxes. Oh, and the belt drives, of course. I don't see any casting marks. I'm trying to see what kind of material this is made of. Well, I mean, it seems pretty tough. It's rigid. I kind of throw it around. I don't take it easy on this thing, that's for sure. And it's running just fine other than the gearboxes. So as you can see, we've got the A side already put back together. Go ahead and put this in. There you go. Snaps in. One screw. Pause you and bring you back. So when you buy the original parts, they give you a new screw. So we might as well go ahead and use it. Let's go. Good enough. Don't want to strip it out. Repeat side B. Always double check your work. Missed a screw. Schmucky the clown. Alright, now all we got left is to put the impeller back in, or drive vanes. There we go. Perfect. Alright. Man, I'm sure gonna make people sick. Let's get a tripod. Bipod. I don't know. That's it. Go ahead and put it back on and we'll go test it in the pool. She scoots. She's working like a charm. It's fantastic what a little bit of willingness, know-how, and arm grease can do. Elbow grease can do. Oh, what are you saying?